Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So today we're going to walk around IAA. It's an insurance auto auction. It's an auction that's open to dealers and public. I have to see if they're open to public in each state. I know they're open to, dealer. If you're a dealer, you can go to basically any auction. But if you're a public, I know here in Oklahoma, you can buy. If you're a public, you can sign up for IAA and you can start buying cars and flipping cars here at IAA. I have to check and see your state. I'll probably do a video of that next to basically show like which states you can be public and buy a car from insurance auto auction. I don't know if it's all of them, but yeah, we're gonna get in here, walk in here. Yeah, y'all see me with the beanie and the hoodie. Yeah, it's cold. Like yesterday, y'all seen the video, it was all nice and sunny, but that's how Oklahoma changed it so quick. So today it's gonna be cold. Tomorrow's gonna be cold, and Thursday they say it's supposed to snow. So I don't really know what be going on. So let's get in here and see what they got. Let's get it. So as y'all guys can see, we're here, insurance auto auction. Only bad thing about IAA is that you gotta basically get on your computer and listen to the car start up there. I mean, you can't start up any car. That's the rules, so like that's what I always say. But this is a public end dealer auction, but you can't start up any cars. But they do have a good selection of cars. Let's just turn our camera around and walk through. So this is actually like wreck. Old car right there. This would be an old fun car to buy. Let me take a picture of this one. 1986 Cavalier. It's not too bad either. Good. That one probably run. It's not too bad of shape. Good. Yeah, this the hood and front grill I see. That ain't too bad. So let's get a picture of that one. Let's keep walking. Got Mitsubishi Eclipse right here. Farmers Insurance 2003. Ain't gonna be worth it. That's too much damage. Let's keep walking. No tint. See, airbags deployed. Don't want to mess with nothing like that. Whew. It is cold. It's a nice little impact. They got these cars detailed out, don't they? What year is this? 2001. No. Let's keep walking. Keep walking and see what we got here. Kia Soul right here. Take a look at it. Doesn't look too bad. Make sure the airbags ain't deployed. Dead. Have to check on the website to see if it starts. Got a pamper in the back seat. Woo. Check some fluid, see what we got here. Got oil. See if I can get down on this pulley. Let's see if the motor turn. Nope. Pulley won't turn, so motor Motor might be locked up in there. I couldn't get the pulley to turn. But we'll have to go check it out. We'll take a picture of the 2016 Kia Soul. Fender bumper. Damage right there. Damage to the rear bumper. See what we can find. Woo. It's windy, dusty, cold. Let's see. Nissan, not too bad shape. Bumper. Let's see, we got anything else? Bumper, headlight, straighten the hood. Let's see anything there. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's keep going. Keep going. Smashed up 200. Smashed up 300. Chevy Cruze. Jeep Gladiator in here. Old Toyota Mini Coops. Jeep Gladiator. That's a 2021. Dang, it's crashed. Wrecked all up. Keep looking. Maybe get us an old little Buick or something. Aggressive. Have to see how the motor sound. Only thing about these, you can't start them, put them in gear, like, so you just don't know. Just don't know. Whole laundry of stuff in there. So I need something. So I got stopped. I went too far out in my area, so I guess those cars are not ready yet, or I don't know what's going on with those. But we good. We got enough cars in our section to see whether it's a 2009 Nissan Altima. Nope. Hard pass. Airbag's been deployed. Don't want to mess with nothing like that. Damage wasn't bad though. Bumper. Damage wasn't bad. Has been deployed. We was stopping every second or so, you know, because he kept coming. Security kept coming by, trying to see. I don't know if I can record it. I mean, he just same guy last time. He said it was a different guy last time. He said he didn't mind if I record it, but we're gonna keep going. Y'all see it? Lines and lines of cars, Corvettes. So you can only go on these two roads. So the two roads go all the way from down there to here. So I can come all the way down here. Toyota truck, a lot of frame messed up on it. So we can come all the way down here. Got a good amount of cars out here though. But we coming to the semi section though. So that's what I want to look at. That's what I want to look at. Let me take a look at these bad boys. Woo! These semis been through some work. Too much work for that one. Holding that one. always tricky. Freightliner. Another Freightliner. Got some good tires on it, but the back smashed in and the fuel tank smashed in. Dang, that one been through the works. That one don't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad in there. Doesn't look too bad. Got tractors, cabs of the vehicles. Tore the whole roof off of that thing. Nothing but motor, transmission, and chassis. Oh Lord, y'all see all that? Carnage, destruction. Whew. Somebody could have sold some tires off of this thing. That's a lot of work. Total. So we're gonna walk through. Let y'all guys see it. Let y'all guys see it. GT Pontiac G8 right here. And roll the wheel off of this thing. Okay. Pontiac. Look at that. A good little font at the end of the day. Not too bad. And it's there sitting all the way on the ground though. It's sitting all the way on the ground though. Might be one to look at. Totaled it out. Take a picture. Now let's just walk through there and see. It's just cold out here today, man. Let's see what else we see before we head on out of here. I think I seen like an Impala SS that I let my boy Lucky know about before we get out of here. It's 07. We're in. Ain't too bad. We're in. So I was running. Only 55,000 miles? It's crazy. What's this? 06 Toyota Avalon. It's not bad. It's cold. Century. it is cold. So if y'all hear the breathing, it is cold. So just like that, I mean, just a little pre-sale walkthrough. I mean, you can at an insurance auto auction at IA, you can only pre-sale do a pre-sale walk around the day before the auction. So only on Tuesdays you can do a pre-sale. So only on Tuesday. So whatever state you're in, you got to see what day your insurance auto auction is, your IA is in your state, and you can only do a pre-sale the day before. Man, I kept stopping because one, it was cold. So y'all heard that, like y'all probably heard parts of it in the video. It's cold, and two, the security, he was just telling me like which areas I could look at and which areas I couldn't look at. So that's why I was stopping too. So, but now I know like okay, it's those 2 lanes, and you can go from the beginning to the end. And then so next week, hopefully it's warm outside, and we can do this again. And I can basically show you guys. But I mean, you can't start up in the vehicles, but you can always go online to the. And once you sign up and stuff like that, they have um, they have the motor, like they start the car up and they let you hear the motor. But I mean, yeah, you hear the motor, but you don't know if like the transmission is going in gear or not or nothing like that. So that's kind of like the biggest hit or miss with like IA. Like you can't start the cars up and you can't put them in gear. So so if you can't start them up, you can listen to the motor on on there. But I mean, yes, you can listen to it, but it might be something that that listening at the motor on the computer that you don't really hear, like that listening to it in person that you can hear that you probably couldn't hear on the computer. And then also and just not being able to put them in gear. That's my biggest thing. It's already a wrecked car. I mean, yeah, it was probably running and driving, but you don't know if like the transmission was slipping or whatever. You don't. So that's the bad thing, and you don't know if it goes in gear or not. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video. I'll definitely do some more walk arounds. I'm out. It is cold. I'm out. Peace.